Hi and welcome. My name is Shadi and I will be your lecturer in chapter 10 here in our book Technology in Action. Behind the scene software programming. Topic System Development Life Cycle of a Program, Programming Languages. Systems. A system is a collection of pieces working together to achieve a common goal. Information system includes data, people, procedures, hardware, and software. System Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, an organized process used to develop system in an orderly fashion. System Development Lifecycle. Problem and opportunity identification, analysis, design, development and documentation, testing and installation, maintenance and evaluation. Documentation here means after you comment, when you're writing a code, you make something called a comment to explain to the user or the other programmer who will work after you what this code meant to do. Design. A detailed plan for programmers is developed. Flowchart and data flow diagram are used further current proposed system. Data flow diagram and a flowchart. A flowchart is what tells the programmer what to do. The program starts. The analysis is the program ready? Yes, we'll do this. No, don't do this. The life cycle of a program. A computer program is a set of detailed direction telling the computer exactly what to do, one step at a time. Programming is the process of translating a task into a series of commands a computer will use to perform the task. Programming involves identifying the parts of the task the computer can perform, describing the task in a specific and complete manner, translating the task into a language that a computer can understand, which is one and zeros. Program development lifecycle. So describe the problem, making a plan, coding, debugging, finishing the project. Describing the problem. The problem statement, starting the point of programming, describe the task that the program is accomplished, how the program will execute the task, create through interaction between the programs and the user. The program statement includes error handling and testing plan. Making a plan. Sorry. So making the plan. So let's skip this part. Coding. Coding is a transition of an algorithm. Algorithm, if you don't know, algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to tell a computer what to do. Algorithm into a programming language generated of programming languages. As we said before, the computer understands 0 and 1, not S, 4, H, not letters, but 0 and 1. So we have something called low level, which is machine level or assembly level, which is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Words describe the commands to the CPU: added register 3, register 4, register 5. High level, oh sorry, so low level programming language like machine and assembly. A high level programming language like Fortran, Basic, C, and SQL. SQL is not a programming language, but actually an instruction. SQL is used to retrieve data from the database. More powerful commands allow complex work to be done in a single sentence. All employees were totally pay a total more than 25,000. Natural, Prolog, Visual Basic. Competition, compilation is the process of converting code into machine language. So I write a code, for example, in PHP, in C, and the compiling the code turned the words I did write to 0 and 1, so a computer can understand. Compiler reads the source code and then translates it into machine language. Interpreter translates source code into line-of-line intermediate form. Debugging. Running a program to find errors is known as debugging. Simple input used as in determine logic error. Finishing the project, user test the program, internal testing, beta version, software updates, documentation created, user manual, and user training. Programming languages. Selecting the right language, space available, speed required, organization resource available, type, target application. These are all programming languages. So each programming language is designed to something. For example, C and C++ are designed for embedded devices, programming a car, an autonomous drone, stuff like this. C and C++. HTML is for the web. Low-level language, Z equal X plus Y. Machine language, as you can see. Assembly language, as you can see. C and C++. C developed for system programmers, combine high and low-level programming language. Modern operating system were written in C. C++ uses the same features as C, include object-oriented design. So this is a C and this is a C++ programming language, as you can see. These are samples. Java, object-oriented features, large set of existing classes, architecture neutral, Java applets, small Java-based programs. If you don't know, a Java applet is a program that runs on your SIM card. If you have a SIM card, it contains Java applets, which are small Java-based programs. Web application hypertext markup language HTML, not a true programming language, use special symbols, tags to control how the web pages are viewed. JavaScript used to make web pages more visually appealing and interactive. Visual Basic Script, a subset of Visual Basic used to add interactivity to a web page. Web applications, active server pages, and Java server pages add interactivity and capabilities to a web page, translate user information into the request for more information from a company's computer. Flash enables elaborate animation to be created for a web page. Extensible markup language enables computer to efficiently transfer information between websites. We have finished chapter 10. If you have any question, please stop and comment below and I will answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.